Ever since online financial platforms boomed, one question has echoed in our minds: is my money safe? Today, we're diving into Piggyvest's new venture, PocketApp, a mobile money wallet. We'll dissect its safety features, understand the regulatory landscape, and see if PocketApp stacks up. So, is your hard-earned cash secure with PocketApp? Let's find out. Understanding mobile money wallets. Imagine your phone as a virtual pocket. Mobile money wallets store cash electronically, allowing you to send, receive, and manage funds with just a few taps. Super convenient, right? But with convenience comes a responsibility: keeping your money safe. The Nigerian context, CBN and NDIC. Here in Nigeria, the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, plays a crucial role. They license mobile money operators, MMOs, like PocketApp, ensuring they meet strict regulations. This is a good first step. But what happens if something goes wrong with the MMO itself? That's where the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, NDIC, steps in. Similar to how bank accounts are insured, the NDIC protects a certain amount of deposited funds in case of an MMO failure. PocketApp's safety features, breaking it down. Now, let's get into PocketApp specifics. They claim to be a CBN-licensed MMO with NDIC insurance. But what security measures do they have in place for your everyday transactions? PocketApp mentions features like PIN access and possibly even two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Verifying these features and understanding how they work is crucial. Remember, a strong PIN and enabled 2FA are your first lines of defense against unauthorized access. Security concerns and potential risks. While regulations and built-in features offer a safety net, there are potential risks to consider. Mobile money wallets are susceptible to cyber threats like phishing scams. Phishing emails or messages might try to trick you into revealing your login details or PIN. Be super cautious of any communication claiming to be from PocketApp and never share your PIN with anyone. Another concern is data breaches. Even with secure systems, data breaches can happen. It's important to choose an MMO with a proven track record of data security. Researching how PocketApp handles user data and their breach response protocols is wise. Beyond the app, user reviews and Piggyvest's reputation. User experiences can be a valuable source of information. Checking App Store reviews and user forums can reveal real-world experiences with PocketApp security. Have there been any reports of unauthorized transactions or issues with recovering lost funds? Piggyvest, the company behind PocketApp, has a well-established reputation in the Nigerian fintech space. Their experience in handling user funds can be a positive indicator for PocketApp's safety measures. The verdict: is PocketApp safe? Based on the information available, PocketApp appears to have the basic safety features in place: CBN licensing, NDIC insurance, and potentially PIN and 2FA. However, it's important to be cautious and do your research. Here are some key takeaways to consider. Verify PocketApp's security features like PIN and 2FA functionality. Stay vigilant against phishing scams and never share your PIN. Research PocketApp's data security practices and breach response protocols. Read user reviews and look for real-world experiences regarding security. Piggyvest's reputation as a financial platform can be a positive indicator. Remember, complete safety cannot be guaranteed with any financial platform. However, by understanding the regulations, the app's features, and practicing good financial hygiene, you can significantly reduce the risks. The choice is yours, making an informed decision. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use PocketApp is yours. By considering the factors we discussed today, you can make an informed choice that aligns with your comfort level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.